Here's a guide on where you can go to change the display size as well as font size settings of your Xiaomi phone with Android 15 Hyper OS 2. We'll start off by going into the quick settings by pulling it down once from the right side and tap on the settings toggle, this one right here. You'll be taken to this here now, and the first place you want to go to is display and brightness right there. Once you're here now, you will go down a little bit until you see font settings, this one right here. So this is going to allow you to change the size of the font that appears on your display. And you'll see to the bottom section here, you have the XL, large, and it's going to get smaller going to your left. And if you want it to get bigger, you'll bring it to the far right A, and you can see it's a double X there. Whatever you leave it as, it will be saved as that. Now, if you back out of here and you also back out one more time, we now want to go to another area for the display size. So that's in a different section. And we want to go to where it says additional settings. As you enter here now, you'll go to where it says accessibility. And under accessibility, you'll go to where it says vision right there. From here on, go down until you see display, and you'll see display right there. This is where you can choose between the small size, the extra small, and also the large one there. Okay, so sometimes they might have a little delay as to how big it can appear, but it will work. Now, once you've made that change, make sure to press the check mark so it can save as that, okay? And press OK. And you're good to go. Like and sub.